how to see deleted messages on Discord. So if you want to see deleted messages on your Discord, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to search for WinCord download. After that, click on this WinCord.dev or just download WinCord for your desktop. After that, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with Windows if you are using your Windows, and then go with download. Once you've downloaded, you need to install your WinCord. After installing your WinCord, what you need to do is open up your Discord. Now after opening your Discord, you need to go with the user settings, which is on the bottom left, and from the user settings, as you can see that you will have the WinCord option right here. So you need to go with the plugins section. Under WinCord plugins here, you need to enter a plugin name, which is Logger, and you will find the message Logger. You need to go and toggle this on. As you toggle this on, you will get a restart button on the top. You need to just go and restart your Discord or reopen your Discord. And after reopening, if you have any messages on your Discord, or if the messages has been deleted, like for example, I'll go with direct messages, and under direct messages, if someone deletes this message after sending, then it will show you as red mark. You will have this whole message with the red color ink, which means that the other person has deleted this message, but you will still be able to view that message. In this way, you'll be able to see deleted messages on Discord, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.